Guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are already covered few topics in Excel macro series, and currently we are learning uh, loops concepts. We have already covered loops and conditions. Today we are going to learn variables and data types. So today we will discuss what is variable and data type concept. So let's get started. So let me open an Excel file. So let me remove the existing code. So we have already learned how to declare a variable. So let's discuss what is a variable now. So variable is nothing but which holds some hold certain value. Let's suppose a is equal to 10, or a is equal to b is equal to 30, or c is equal to apple. So it can be anything like number, text, float, anything. It holds certain value, and we can utilize this value in a repetitive task. We no need to declare this value multiple times. Just we can reutilize this variable uh, in our code and at the execution, and we can also change the values dynamically while executing the code. Let's see. So let's implement this variable concept with the help of a real-time example. So let me go to Excel Visual Basic Editor, and here let's say my scenario is, so let me remove this table, and here what I want to do, I update values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want to update these values by using macro code. So let's get started. So let's write a code, a range of a1 dot value is equal to, sorry, is equal to what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to update as 1. So similar way, I'll also copy paste this piece of code, paste, sorry, let me copy paste. So here what I'll do, I'll just change it to A2, A3, A4, A5, and here also I'll update 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let me delete these existing values, and let me try to run this code. In order to run this code, I need to click on this run play button. So here you can see the values has been updated successfully. So as a developer, we are not supposed to write these many lines of code. Okay, so we need to handle the situation dynamically. So we have already covered how to update these values dynamically by using for loop. For I is equal to 1 to 6, and then for loop we need to use next keyword to close the for loop. uh, and just simply what I'll do, I'll just copy one line of code, and let me paste it over here. I'll just update this value with the dynamic content. We are not supposed to hard code any value, dynamic content as I, and here also I'll just pass I value to update the values dynamically. So let me remove all these lines of code, and let me remove these lines of code also, and I'll try to run this one. So here you can see these values has been updated successfully. So this is how we need to write a piece of code which we need to handle the values dynamically. So here I is the value, so sorry, variable type. So it holds the values from 1 to 6. Let's suppose if you want to see the I value, let's see, this is MSC box. I value is, so let me provide I value. So now I'll run this code. You will come to know. So let me clear this output. So I'm using I variable. I have created a variable only one time. I declared a variable one time, but I'm utilizing for multiple values. So let me run this code. So here you can see I value is 1 first time. So here I value is updated. I value is 2 second time. I value updated. I value is 3. I value is 4. I value is 6. Here is it is updating dynamically. So this is the variable I am utilizing for multiple times. So this is the main use of variable to declaring a variable. So let's see how to declare a variable, and we'll work on other real-time scenario. Let's suppose dim a. I have declared a variable called a. So I will assign some value to a. A is equal to apple. Okay. So here what I will do, I will update this apple value in the entire range actually from A1 to D D7. So let's see. So range of A1 to D7, from range of A1 to D7. Just I want to update the value as apple. So instead of apple keyword, what I'll do, I'll just pass the variable A. So let me try to run this code now. So here you can see the value says updated as a. So but here I have declared a variable a, and I'm utilizing this variable in the assigning calls thing. Okay, this is the main use of variable declaration. So this is the keyword, dim keyword we need to use to declare a variable, and we are going to assign some value to variable. Here just we are utilizing the a variable to the this thing. So here I did not assign any data type. Let's suppose if you want to declare any data type as number. Okay, so as number, or else you can declare as, okay, so let me comment this one. Okay, so let me declare as number, or we can also declare as string. Also you can declare as b as float. Oh, sorry, float is not there. Let me try to. Sorry, no, it is not number. It is integer type. Integer. Dim v as bool. So these are all the different data types available. So I will share the description in the link. What are all the data types available in VBA, and how to, what is the range of those variables. But so my suggestion is, as per my knowledge, if you declare the variable as something, you need to follow the same thing. So please do not declare anything as a data type. Please forget the data types concept. It will create a confusion for you. So just declare variable as dim, and you can just declare the variable name. So it will automatically handle. So Excel macro has the uh, capability to automatically handle all the data types. So it can be anything like a number, text, date, boolean, float, whatever it is. You please do not declare any data type explicitly. It will automatically convert implicitly, and it will perform the actions. Otherwise you will get errors in the real-time situation. So this is my best suggestion, and this is one of the best practice. Okay, so here if you want to update the value, okay, so what you will update, orange, and let me run this code. So now this thing is updated. So whatever the things we are discussing now, these are all basic, fundamental, and key programming knowledge in Excel macros. Once you practice all these scenarios, with the help of these all concepts, you can make a project by using Excel macros end to end. So that is what, just I have splitted all the topics into modules, and we are going to discuss each and every topic. So once here we have already covered these many topics, and next we are going to work on conditions and finding the last row dynamically. Here whenever if you see, whenever if you write a for loop for I is equal to we are updating I is equal to 1 to something 10 or 20, and we are just looping each and but in real time, so you cannot predict the uh, end row. So it might be 20, 100,000, 2,000, 10,000, or 90,000. You cannot predict. So this value you need to get that value dynamically in a real time scenario. So once we cover these conditions, then we are going to find the last row value dynamically, and then we are going to open multiple excels, and we are going to copy and paste the data from one excel to another excel, and how to create excel objects, each and everything. And we are going to work on one real time concept which it covers all these loops, conditions, variables, data types, opening an excel file, finding the last row. All these concepts we are going to cover in this real time scenario. And then we are going to work on other concepts like error handling and filters, date time, lookup, user forms, outlook automation, web automation. We can automate web using excel macros. So we are going to learn each and every concept. So please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified every time when I upload a new video or series on excel macros. Please share with your friends and please support. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.